Welcome to the beautiful Peace River Regional District. Constructed in 1991, the Charlie Lake Septic System was originally developed to service an existing developed area, with the main focus being to address serious sewage and environmental issues in the area. These issues were related to the impact of failing septic and lagoon systems, the result, liquid sewage seeping into the lake. In 2004, upgrades were made to the lift station. This helped address overflows during periods of excess flow. As well, the outfall line from the lagoons was replaced due to landslides. In 2008, a monitoring program was developed and constructed in 2009. This program allowed for the complete analysis of the system to understand capacity and performance concerns. This program allowed the regional district to better understand where the system was experiencing capacity issues and where the overflows were coming from. As a result of this monitoring program, the regional district has outlined a plan to fix issues within the septic system. The upgrades have been broken up into two different projects. Project 1 is the collection system upgrades, meaning the pipes and pumps that transfer sewage from homes to the lift station. Project 2 is the lagoon upgrades, meaning upgrades to the treatment system we use before the water is released back into the environment. The upgrades will address several issues. They will provide a reliable sewer system that functions efficiently even during peak events. They will allow for future growth within the area. And finally, they will allow us to meet recently updated provincial and federal environmental regulations efficiently and effectively. In order to keep this system working at peak performance, it's important to know the Charlie Lake Septic System and how it works. The Charlie Lake Septic System works on a step collection system. STEP stands for Septic Tank Effluent Pump. Small effluent pumps feed into one large lift station. This lift station then pumps to the Charlie Lake lagoons and begins the treatment process. Treated liquid sewage is discharged periodically down to the Peace River, only after making sure it has passed the test for treatment and meets all regulatory requirements. Keep in mind that landowners are responsible for all costs of the installation, operation, and maintenance of the septic system on their own private land. This is where sewage from each house collects in a tank. Solids settle out into the tank, and liquids are pumped out to the main line. Main lines and lagoons can't handle solids. In the Charlie Lake Septic System, every lot needs to have a tank and pump. Our system is designed to only take sanitary sewage. So all surface water from runoff roof or foundation drain systems should not be allowed to enter the system. The introduction to surface water into the Charlie Lake sewer system dramatically overloads capacity and impacts system efficiency. To keep our septic system working well, here are some of the more important items you can do to help us out. Most importantly, when in doubt, don't flush it out. Things like garbage, grease, wet wipes, and harmful chemicals can really harm your system and ours. Things like carburetors add more solids to your system, which results in needing yearly inspections and cleanouts more often. On the Charlie Lake Septic System, the typical house requires an inspection every 5 years. For a healthy septic system, remember the double M and double R rules. Monitor the septic system. Maintain the septic tank by pumping it out regularly. Reduce the amount of waste and chemicals going down your sink and toilets. And refrain from putting non-biodegradable chemicals and materials down your drains. When in doubt, stop, look, and smell. If you notice a problem with your septic system, it's important to act immediately in order to protect human health and the environment. A friendly message from the Peace River Regional District.